Did you know your kitchen might be hiding some silent health destroyers? Yes, the foods you think are harmless, or even healthy, could actually be sabotaging your well-being. Stay tuned, because today on Kitchen Hospital, we're uncovering the shocking truth about 10 everyday foods you should stop buying immediately. And don't worry, we'll also reveal healthier, tastier alternatives to keep you and your family safe and nourished. Let's start with the culprits hiding in plain sight. 1. Sugary breakfast cereals. The problem: they're loaded with refined sugar and artificial flavors, spiking your blood sugar levels. The alternative: swap them with whole grain oats or granola made with natural sweeteners like honey or dates. 2. Store-bought salad dressings. The problem: packed with trans fats, sugar, and artificial preservatives. The alternative: make your own with olive oil, lemon juice, and a pinch of herbs for a fresh, healthy twist. 3. White bread and refined grains. The problem: stripped of nutrients, they cause energy crashes and weight gain. The alternative: opt for whole grain bread or sourdough for more fiber and better digestion. 4. Canned soups and vegetables. The problem: high in sodium and often contain BPA from the cans. The alternative: use fresh or frozen vegetables and make soups from scratch for a nutrient boost. 5. Fruit juices. The problem: even the 100% natural ones are often high in fructose, lacking the fiber of whole fruits. The alternative: blend your own smoothies or eat whole fruits to retain the fiber and nutrients. 6. Low-fat yogurt. The problem: stripped of fat but loaded with sugar to compensate for flavor. The alternative: choose plain, full-fat yogurt and sweeten it with fresh fruits or a drizzle of honey. 7. Granola bars. The problem: marketed as healthy but often as sugary as candy bars. The alternative: make your own bars at home with oats, nuts, and natural sweeteners. 8. Microwave popcorn. The problem: contains trans fats and harmful chemicals in the lining of the bags. The alternative: pop your own kernels on the stove with a little coconut oil and seasoning. Myths and misconceptions. Now, let's bust some myths about so-called kitchen essentials. 9. Artificial sweeteners. The myth: they're better than sugar. The reality: many artificial sweeteners disrupt gut health and can increase cravings for sugary foods. The alternative: use natural options like stevia, honey, or jaggery in moderation. 10. Processed meat products, like sausages and hot dogs. The myth: they're convenient sources of protein. The reality: they're loaded with nitrates and preservatives linked to heart disease and cancer. The alternative: replace with lean, unprocessed cuts of meat or plant-based proteins like lentils and beans. The power of healthy combinations. Here's a pro tip: pairing certain foods together can amplify their benefits. For example, add a squeeze of lemon to spinach to boost iron absorption. Combine nuts and berries for a snack packed with antioxidants and healthy fats. Mix turmeric with black pepper to enhance its anti-inflammatory properties. Storing your foods the right way. Host: storing your foods correctly is just as important as buying the right ones. Keep oils in dark bottles away from heat to preserve nutrients. Store nuts and seeds in airtight containers to prevent them from going rancid. Always refrigerate fresh produce to retain maximum vitamins and minerals. A healthier kitchen, a healthier you. By eliminating these harmful foods and making smart swaps, you're not just cleaning up your kitchen, you're transforming your health. Start small, stay consistent, and watch how these changes improve your energy, mood, and overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Like, share, and subscribe to Kitchen Hospital for more life-changing health tips.